The why of the daily huddle is about bringing technicians together, bringing a company together, bringing alignment to the brand purpose, and just reinforcing on a daily basis, hey, this is what we're doing and this is why we're doing it, because this is difficult work. I mean, let's face it, if you're a service technician or you're somebody that's been out in install and you're in that particular type of work, and it's 115 degrees in the desert and we've got 3-4 months of that type of weather, it's very, very, very physical work. Plus, you know, you don't always feel like you're appreciated by the homeowners. I mean, let's be real. A lot of people out there, you know, are happy when it's done, but they start complaining about price and they start complaining about, you know, whether or not we were on time. And there's just an awful lot of things that the technicians have to deal with on a day-to-day basis. So one of the things we want to do with the huddle is just make sure we reinforce, hey, this is the reason why we do certain things. There are people that actually do die. There are health considerations, especially with the elderly or people that are disabled. And so what we do actually has more meaning than just doing a repair and, you know, writing a check and essentially collecting that check and sort of moving on to the next call.